come on, let's take this one for a test drive, and I think you'll be really impressed with it.
Okay, let's go. Oh wow, the color is amazing. You have the blue exterior.
You have your diamond stitching.
The diamond stitching is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
So that feature over there is how you're going to set the position of your seat, catered to you specifically. So you would just press number 1, set it for yourself, if that's the position you're comfortable with. And then you'll press set. And then let's say, hubby or your partner wants to set their seat, they can do number 2. And it's going to remember that. Next, I'd like to talk about our regenerative braking assist and our one pedal assist, because a lot of people aren't understanding that. So this is going to be your one pedal assist. And the time that you're going to use this is when you're kind of just going on short trips throughout town, when you're in stop and go traffic. Reason being, it's going to slow down when you brake. The reason being is because now it's charging, and it's going to send that power back to the battery. How we get into EV mode is we're going to press EV, and it's going to show you on the screen here. You would normally go into EV mode. Now the battery needs to be fully charged for it to be able to do that. Right now it's not. But if it was, it would go into EV mode. So right here on the left is going to be your electric side, and then this is going to be the gas side. This is just showing you how much of the tank is full. Same thing with this side. Right now you can see that it's ready for a charge, and I also wanted to show you guys this green icon. When this comes on, this means that you're using the one pedal braking assist. Okay, so when you're slowing down, you're going to feel kind of a shift in that brake, and it's going to slow down a little bit more for you, because again, what that's doing is it's sending that charge back to the battery so that you can use that on a full charge. So another common question I get asked is how far can we go in the PHEV? Like what can we actually do mileage wise? 420 miles combined is what you're going to be able to do. 38 miles of that is going to be attributed to the battery. That's why as much as you can, you want to try to recharge that. Just use the EV, because the 420 miles really helps people make less trips to the gas station. In this generation, we all need a 360 camera. I want to let you guys know it is available. For all my camera users out there. I know it's really important for some of you, so I just wanted to let you know it's available. Another technological advanced thing that we are using as Mitsubishi is our app. So in the Mitsubishi app, you can actually start your vehicle from inside the home, and what you want to do is you want to set your temperature of the vehicle to your liking and then start the vehicle. You can actually schedule what time you would like your vehicle to start every day. Let's say you leave for work at 8 o'clock every day. You can set your vehicle to start at 7:50 right on the dot every day by just clicking the schedule and setting up when you'd like it to start. Another thing you can do is turn your lights on. If you'd like your lights to be on, you can turn them on that way. Now we're going to move to unlocking and locking your doors. You can unlock them from inside the home and unlock them as well. For the PHEV specifically, this is your electric and gas vehicle. You can see how much the vehicle has been charged. And how far it can go on the charge. You can also schedule a time for that to be charged as well and start it up from there as well. And within a certain proximity, let's say you forgot where you parked at an arena, you're at a special event, you can actually find your vehicle on the app, which I know is very helpful. And right here on this page where you click the little eye, you're kind of just going to see the status of your vehicle. You're going to see how far you can go on a charge. You're going to see how much gas there is. You're going to see, are my doors unlocked? Are they closed? Are they open? You can see if your hood is open, your ignition, is it off? You kind of can see everything that you need to see that's important about your vehicle. If you have a garage door opener, this is where you connect it at. It's called MyQ. And you can go in here and you can connect your device to the app. Lastly, and most conveniently, you can actually go in here and schedule your next service appointment with us. And what it's going to do is it's going to find the closest dealer to you. And that, of course, is going to be your favorite dealer. Not only your dealer, but where you're going to bring your pre-owned vehicles and anything you need over here at Brandon Mitsubishi. Another great thing about Mitsubishi is we actually provide the charger for you guys to be able to charge your vehicle. At your convenience, you can actually plug this in at your home. It has a regular just outlet plug. And how it works is you just press that in. Right here is where you're going to plug it in. Let's say you have it plugged in overnight and you want to unplug it in the morning. The only way you're able to do this is when you unlock the vehicle and now you're pressing this button here. That way it's an anti-theft system here, so nobody can take your stuff. The thing is, as you go up in trim levels, we also have the Tesla charging station port here. When you're on short trips or long trips, you can charge up. When charging, this sensor here will show green or red. As you're charging, you'll be able to see how the vehicle's charging and when it's successful by this light here. It's going to either show red or it's going to show green.